If you stay near the seaside like me, you may face some issue. My house got moldy smell when I come back from short trip or holiday.
What is the cause of mold? Hot, humid at home? Too much moisture at home?
High humidity will damage wall paint. Check it out. What is my home condition? 79% relative humidity and 26 degrees room temperature. Look at the chart. My room condition caused to grow mold and fungus because humidity is between 70 and 80%. How to remove moldy smell and how to remove moisture. You can use dehumidifier.
I purchased dehumidifier from Lazada.
Capacity is 380 milliliter per day. It comes with 2-liter water tank. Easy to remove water tank. 1-year warranty. 3-pin plug. Let me on the power and see how it works. Touch power button. You can check current room temperature and room humidity. Test air discharge. Test air inlet. Looks nice design and portable type. It comes with aromatherapy box. Put aromatherapy box on top. Let it run about 2 hours.
1 hour later.
Relative humidity reduced from 79% to 75%. It's work. You can see some water inside the tanks. Where is this water coming from? This is condensate, water from room air. We'll share how to remove moldy smell by air purifier in next video.